All right. So the next major tab that you'll have in your Blackboard course is the About This Course section. And in this section, you'll have your information, your contact information, but also your office hours and your office location. And sometimes you can make yourself available online for online office hours. And there's one good way of doing that, and that's through Google Hangout. But there's also other options out there, and you should also list your telephone number as well. And you want to include your syllabus, and you might not include the whole syllabus in one item, but you'll definitely want to post a link or connect a link to a PDF where people can download the full syllabus. And you also want another section having your textbooks listed and your course calendar. And these are things that you can put into your About This Course page. Lastly, the course policies and the instructor bio. I usually try to give students some way of knowing who they're working with and who they're dealing with when I'm teaching the class, especially if it's a fully online class. And this is an online class where we didn't meet physically. So most of the information that I included was trying to give them a personal touch and a personal feel so they could feel comfortable taking the course and feel like they were in an actual physical class. The other thing to look at, and if this is your first time using Blackboard, the way you build this type of information, these little boxes here, these segments in this page, you'll go to build content and you'll want to create an item. And sometimes if you want to link to a video, you can build a video or link to a YouTube video. But there's a lot of different ways of building content. But the simplest way to build content is just to create an item. And you can also create folders, which is what this is down here, this course policies folder. You can create a folder that people can open up, and that will give the basic grading information, what's expected of them, academic honesty, communication policy, information on plagiarism, copyright. Also, this is a very important thing to have, this netiquette statement. I include this in my syllabus as well. In fact, all of this information should be listed in your syllabus, but they provide you with a lot of this information inside of Blackboard, so it's really easy. You can just copy and paste it. Now, again, that's my school, so some schools might not do that, but Bowie State University provides all of this information for you. Now, going back to the About This Course page, if I wanted to add an item, I would just click into Build Content, and I'd click on Item, and I would get this box and get this page. And this is how you name your item, include the name, and this is the text that you want to include inside of your item. Any attachments. So let's say you were doing the syllabus, you wanted to put the first part of your syllabus in here, browse your computer to find the actual PDF and connect it here, attach it. And also you want to make sure in the standard options section, you want to make sure you permit users to view this content, because you could create all of these interesting and wonderful little items and folders and all these things. But if the users can't see it, then what's the use? Another feature we can talk about later is tracking the number of views. If you want to make sure that students are actually viewing the items that you're posting in your Blackboard, you can track the number of views. And you can also select the date and time where this information is available. But I usually leave those blank, especially for syllabus and other important items. So you would press submit once you've created everything, and then submit it. So that's the About This Course section, very important section of Blackboard.